Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 696 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Square is considering developing a decentralized Bitcoin mining system. BitMining Limited is increasing its investment into its Ohio crypto mining data center, and Fortress Technologies has bought 180 new crypto miners. But just before we get into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, the Cannabis podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Square, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol SQ, recently tweeted that the aforementioned payments and financial service giant is floating the idea of developing a Bitcoin mining system through collaboration. His first tweet reads, quote, "Square is considering building a Bitcoin mining system based on custom silicon and open source for individuals and businesses worldwide. If we do this, we'd follow our hardware wallet model, build in the open in collaboration with the community." End quote. In his subsequent thread of tweets, Dorsey variously emphasizes the importance of decentralization, accessibility, and the use of clean energy in crypto mining. A further tweet, for instance, reads, quote, "Mining needs to be more efficient. Driving towards clean and efficient energy use is great for Bitcoin's economics, impact, and scalability. Energy is a system-level problem that requires innovation in silicon, software, and integration." End quote. BitMining Limited, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol BTCM, is strengthening its collaboration with Viking Data Centers LLC and consequently will increase its investment in the Ohio cryptocurrency mining data center being jointly developed by Viking Data Centers LLC. This will see the addition of up to 65 megawatts of power capacity to the Ohio mining site, bringing its total planned power capacity up to 150 megawatts. Zhanfeng Yang, the CEO of BitMining, said, quote, "The progress made to date with our global expansion strategy has been very encouraging. Our multi-site approach and geographic diversification has provided us with greater flexibility to shift resources and capitalize on regions with more favorable market dynamics, and over time, generate greater returns for stakeholders. We will continue to execute on our plan, investing in technology, innovation, and high-quality mining resources around the world, while building a strong foundation across the cryptocurrency ecosystem." End quote. Fortress Technologies Inc., which trades on the TSXV as FORT, has purchased 180 new WhatsMiner M30S Bitcoin mining machines intended to operate alongside the company's existing machines at its Washington site and be installed within the next 30 days. According to the press release, this is expected to increase Fortress's total hash rate at the Washington site to 33 petahash per second and increase the company's total contracted hash rate to 191 petahash per second. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.